How do we multiply three-digit numbers without having to go through the long multiplication method? Normally if we are to multiply numbers like this, we will first say 8 times 2, we write it here, 2 times 3, write here, then we go through that long route. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to multiply without having to go through that long method. Now, this is the pattern that we will be using. The pattern is 1. From the right hand side, we have 1, then we have x, then we have this cross like this with this on it as the third one, then the fourth digit will be x, and then the last digit will be 1. Just take note of this pattern. Once you can take note of this pattern, you will be able to multiply any three-digit numbers. You will be able to multiply any given two three-digit numbers. Now let's use this pattern now and see how it works. The first thing is, from the right we have 1. That one means that we multiply 8 by 2. You can see. So 8 times 2 will give what? 16. We write 6. We keep 1 here because that one will be adding it to whatever answer we get in the next stage. So the next stage is x. This x now means like this x will go like this, it will go like this cross will go like this. So when we multiply 3 times 2, we will add it. Don't forget that there must be an addition sign here. So this one means that when we multiply 3 by 2, we will add it to whatever we get when we multiply 4 by 8. So 3 times 2 is what? That's 6. Then 4 times 8 is what? That's 32. So 6 plus 32 would give 38. Now 38 plus this one would give 39. Then we will write 9 here. We will write 9 here. Let me erase this one so it will not confuse us. Let me erase this one because we've added it already. So we have 9 here. Sorry. So we have 9 here. Good. And then the next stage is, don't forget that the answer is what? 39. So that means we are left with 3. 3 is supposed to be here. We are left with 3 now. Let's keep the 3 here this time around. We are left with 3. So the next one says this cross like this, and then so that means for this one we'll be having 2. Don't forget, look at the pattern. That will give, let me pick another color so that we will not mix it up with what we have before. Let's pick a totally different color. So this one will now give 2 times 7, that is the line, then 5 times 8, and then 3 times 4. Then we add everything together. Look at it very well. Look at this, is we are on the third stage. So that means 2 times 7, this will give 14. Then plus 5 times 8, that would give 40. Then plus 4 times 3, that will give 12. And don't forget to add the remaining 3 that we kept here. We will add the 3. So what will this give now? 14 plus 40 would give 54. 54 plus 12 will be 66. 66 plus 3 will be 69. So we write 9, and then we keep the 6. So here now we have 9, and then we are keeping 6. Don't forget that we are keeping this 6. Then the next step says x. The next step is x. That means we multiply 4 by 7, and then we multiply 5 by 3. So 4 times 7 is what? That's 28. Then we have 4 times 7 is 28. Then we have 5 times 3 is 15. Then don't forget to add the 6 from this, plus 6. So 28 plus 15 would give 43. Then 43 plus 6 would give 49. So we have 9, and then we keep 4. We have 4 left. Now the last stage is for us to multiply this side. 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. So we have 39. If you press your calculator, press a calculator now and let me know if you get the answer. So 738 times 542 would give 399,000, 399,996. It is very easy. Maybe we should try one more for this trick. Now let's try maybe smaller numbers. Let's try 132 times 246. Don't forget the pattern. The pattern is this: 1 x, then this, then x, then 1. So let's go. 2 times 6 is 12. Remainder 1, we keep 1. So now for the next stage, now we now have 1 plus 6 times 3 is 18. That will be 1 plus 18. Then plus 4 times 2 is 8. So we have 1 plus 18, 19. 19 plus 8 would give what? 27. So we have 7. We are having 2 left. So that 2 will be added to the next stage. For the next stage now, we have 6 times 1. We have something like this. We have this, and then we have this. So 6 times 1, that will be 6. Then plus 2 times 2, 4. Then plus 3 times 4, that's 12. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 12, sorry. Then 12 plus 12 would give 24. So for this one also, we write 4 and then we add 2 to the next stage so that we have 2 plus the next stage is this x. So we come to this side now. The x is between this stage, the tens and the hundreds. So we have 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Then plus 2 times 3 is 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So this time around 2, we write 2 and then we keep 1. Then plus the next stage. The next stage is 1 on the left hand side. So 1 times 2 is 2. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So we have 3 here. So press your calculator. When you multiply 132 by 246, the answer will be 32,472. Try this trick and let me know if it works. It works for any 3-digit number. The one we did the last time works for only 3-digit numbers that have 0 in between, but this one works for all 3-digit numbers. By the way, I am Miss Becca, and if you are new on this channel or you are here to subscribe, kindly subscribe to show your support and like this video. See you in the next video.